Sunday. I've got 5 days left in Jakarta. I waited until happy hour to come down here to the pool, do a little video, maybe get the drone out, fly it out, get a couple shots of the area, and see how it looks. So I've got the old Mavic Pro, not the new Mavic 2 Pro. I want to buy an Inspire 2. As I was saying, I've got this one. I've had it for a couple of years. Mavic Pro, the original Mavic Pro. I need to get the Mavic 2 Pro with the bigger sensor, but this is what I've got for right now. So I'm gonna, as you can see, it's a little windy out here. I'm gonna fly a little bit and try to get a good aerial shot of the pool before I move back to America. Max altitude.
I'll go Mac. I thought I'll do this. That.
But for some reason the drone is saying max altitude, but it's not at the max altitude. I don't know why. But anyway. It's okay. I don't know what's going on. I guess the GPS signal's bad or something. I don't know. Maybe we're because we're in between all these buildings. Who knows? It's okay. It's no problem. So anyway, but I did get it flying. It's not where I wanted it to.